this is what the first thing that you would need. You need a buffing piece. Now you can actually take it up from any of the packages that you receive, or Flipkart packages or Amazon packages. जिधर से आप ऑर्डर करोगे ना, तो वहाँ से आपको एक buffing piece मिलेगा. Take the buffing piece, cut it in square actually, and take a knife. As usual, take a knife, or take any of the other things that you can actually put a round hole in that. Okay, so अभी देखो ये चल रहा है अभी एक्चुअली जो मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी. आई एम एक्चुअली ट्राइंग टू पुट अ राउंड होल टू दिस वन राइट नाउ, सो दैट आई कैन एक्चुअली फिट द माइक आराम से. ठीक है, अभी ये चल रहा है. गुड. ओके, तो ये हो गया. The next thing that you would need, obviously I'm going to talk about it later as to why you would need a necktie, or there are a lot of things that it's called actually, but I would say a necktie. Just go to any electrical shop, buy a necktie, $20, you would get about 7 or 8 of them actually. So take the mic and put it in that particular buffing piece. Wherever you've put a hole, put it in that. So once you're done, once the mic is settled over there inside, so what basically this happens is that the moment you put your mic over there, all that amount of air that is actually crossing through, right, that is not going to come inside when you're riding the bike, or it's actually going to control the air pressure that's going to go inside the bike or in the helmet, I would say. तो ये हो गया. अभी मैं इसको कट कर रहा हूँ बराबर से to ensure that it doesn't become too big inside the helmet. Okay, perfect. Now the last thing. Okay, come on यार, निकल जा यार. Okay, I think here it is. I think मैंने अपना कैम GoPro बराबर से लगाया नहीं हुआ है. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ यार. ठीक है. Okay, so what's the next thing that you would need actually, right? So you would need a sanitized glove. Go to any medical shop, pick it up, $25 a piece actually for a pair. So you would get this, cut the thumb part of it, alright, and so that you would be able to fit that properly on top of that. Now why am I doing this? Alright, this is also going to help you with regards to any air leakages or any air pockets that you have, right? It's gonna control even that. So let me just try to put that over there. ये डाल दिया मैंने. जा चलो. Okay. Ensure that you don't have any sort of an air pocket when you're trying to put this. Okay. Try to tighten it up. Now of course that's not gonna be tightened up the way it is right now, so this is where a necktie comes into the picture. You're gonna be using the necktie right now. Just take one of that. Let me just इसको पहले बराबर से राउंड कर लेते हैं, बराबर से टाइट कर लेते हैं वायर के हिसाब से. And let me just set up my GoPro right so that you'll be able to see that. Okay. ठीक है, डन. ये हो गया. Now take a necktie, plant it right in the corner of that particular thing so that you actually tighten it up so that it doesn't come out, and no air leakage also happens, so there is no air pockets, I would say. I don't know the right term for that, guys, but trust me, it is going to actually control a lot of air that passes through the helmet, and that actually causes a lot of disturbance or interference when you're riding a bike, and you're trying to motovlog when you're riding a bike as well. So टाइट कर लो इसको बराबर से. हो गया. There you go. ठीक है, अभी कट कर दो इसको. Okay, here it is. I think we are good to start. I am not going to show you how to install that in the helmet. It's pretty fair, pretty simple actually. if you want me to show that, I'm gonna make a different video of that as to how exactly I installed it. But let me show you a picture of how the helmet looks like, and let me also take some snippets of that so you can actually install it the way you want to install it. There you go. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Bye.